Now, if you guys are planning to finally start your own smart home ecosystem, but you're not sure which device to start with, the TP-Link Wi-Fi Smart Plug could be the best device to kickstart your very own smart home life. Hey, what's up guys, Adam Lobo here from Adam Lobo TV. If you guys are new, hello and welcome. Do consider subscribing to my channel as you'll find lots of high quality tech related videos in this channel. And if you guys are returning as a subscriber, welcome back. Now, one of the easiest ways to make your appliances smart is of course to have a smart plug. So for example, if you have a bulb without a smart bulb, you can connect this smart plug to the lamp to make it smarter, to control the lamp through your phone or through your voice to turn it on or off. Or you could do something like turning on or off your hot water dispenser through your phone or of course through voice by plugging this in as well. Now, starting from the unboxing, the box comes looking pretty much premium with all its features at the back and also at the side of the box. Now, once opening up the top flap of the box, you'll immediately see the instructions manuals and of course the TP-Link Wi-Fi Smart Plug as well. Now, the plug is smaller in size compared to something like the Wemo Smart Plug. It measures at 6.6 times 7 times 10 centimeters and the build quality is great and sturdy and it weighs at 132 grams. Now, the plug comes with two physical buttons, one to manually turn on and off the plug and the other to reset the plug. Now, this plug comes with different types of sockets according to certain regions, so be sure to get the right type according to which country that you are from. And since this is a Wi-Fi smart plug, you can control a plug anywhere as long as you have an internet connection on your mobile device and your home or office by using the free Casa app, which is available both for Android and iOS devices. Now, going further into the app and setup, first register an account as you will need to link your account with the Google Home and the Amazon Echo later on if you're planning to use your voice command. Now, once you're at the home screen, turn the main plug switch on. Hit the plus button on the top right of the app to add a device. Then choose the smart plug option in the device list. Now, since the power is already on, hit next. And then hit next again. Now, the plug will then prompt you for the device name. Choose the appropriate icon and then hit next. Next, join a Wi-Fi network and add your username and password and then hit next again and you're done. I gotta say that setting this Wi-Fi smart plug was definitely easy compared to other smart plugs I've used previously in this channel. Then of course you can turn on and off the plug, and then going into the plug list in the menu, you'll find the energy monitoring over there and how long the device was used. Now, don't be alarmed if you see the local Wi-Fi control only alert in red, as it will require you to activate the plug via email, which you can do later to activate the offsite control. Then you can adjust schedules for the plug, set away modes and timers for the plug. Then there's the device settings on the top right of the app where there's several setting adjustments including changing the device name, where the device name needs to be the same name as your voice command device name. Now, going back to the home screen of the app, there's other adjustments for other devices under the TP-Link, and this is of course in case you guys would like to expand your TP-Link ecosystem. And as for every smart home devices, it's always better if there's direct control using voice commands for Google Home and also the Amazon Echo without of course an additional bridge. So with this smart plug, you can do it by adding the TP-Link Casa directly through the home control under Home app for Google Home. And of course by adding the TP-Link Casa skills under the Amazon Alexa app for the Amazon Echo voice control. Turn on Studio Plug.
Okay, turning on the Studio Plug.
Turn off Studio Plug.
Okay.
And yes, it integrates through the infamous IFTTT app for it to work with other devices as well, like the LifeX bulb, Philips Hue, Nest and many more. Now in conclusion, this is a great smart plug to have if you guys are looking to start your very own smart home. It may not be as affordable like the Broadlink smart plug, but like I've mentioned earlier, that this works very well with the voice integration and together with the IFTTT as well. So with this, I hope you guys have already considered starting your very own smart home life. However, if you have any other questions to ask, do let me know at the comment section below. And if you guys would like to get yourself the TP-Link Wi-Fi smart plug, I will leave a link at the description below. Or if you guys would like to win yourself one, follow the instructions below at the description. And if this video reaches 200 likes, I'll give this smart plug away. So don't forget to share this video. Now before I end this video, I'm planning to do another Ask Lobo video. So if you guys have any questions to ask me, ask away at the comment section below with the hashtag YoLobo. You know, YOLO and Lobo, so YoLobo. Okay. Aside from that, thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the thumbs up button, like, share and subscribe to Adam Lobo TV if you haven't done so. Don't forget to hit the bell icon just next to it to get notified for my future videos. Thank you so much for watching. This is Adam Lobo and I'll catch you guys in the next video.